Hello friends, welcome to Rhythm Explores India. In the previous episode, we visited Nisargadhama Deer Park, Raja's Seat Viewpoint and Park, Omkareshwara Temple, Talakaveri Temple and the origin of Kaveri River, Bagadeshwara Temple and Triveni Sangam and Abbey Falls in Coorg. In this episode, we shall visit Mandalpatti and then return to Mysuru. This is the Scotland of India. After visiting Abbey Falls, we headed towards Mandalpatti. From Abbey Falls, Mandalpatti is 17 kilometers far. Mandalpatti visit is highly recommendable during sunset. So we started around 4 p.m. We reached a place where we left our booked cab and hired a jeep to reach Mandalpatti. There are two ways to reach Mandalpatti, either by trekking or by jeep riding. One should reach here in daytime as it is inside the Pushpagiri Wildlife Sanctuary. At one point of the journey, you will regret why you have come. But believe me, you will forget everything when you reach.
इतना खराब रास्ता क्यों है?
डिस्ट्रैक्ट को ना
रास्ता इतना खराब है बाप रे।
ये वाइल्ड लाइफ का जगह है ना मैडम, इसलिए नहीं करता है।
नहीं रास्ता नहीं करेगा।
हाँ नहीं मैडम।
क्यों? बाप रे।
The road condition is horrible. The pain of bumpy road is compensated by the natural beauty around. If you visit Coorg and do not visit Mandalpatti, it's not a mistake, it's blunder. No plastic is allowed inside. You have to deposit plastic and security charges and collect ticket from Forest Department office on the way. During your return, the security deposit will be refunded and your plastic will be given. My father told me that the benefit of this bumpy road is that it makes the whole area less frequented and thus preserves its beauty. It seems that after crossing the purgatory, we reached heaven. Our jeep will stay here and we have to climb up to the viewpoint. Let's go. Gradually, we climbed up to the Mandalpatti viewpoint. Mandalpatti is a pristine landscape at the elevation of 4,000 feet and heaven of nature lovers. The seclusion and tranquility will soothe your soul. You can cheerfully run here like a colt. You can be lost in the dark layers of horizontal mountains Or you can do nothing but peacefully contemplate. Due to COVID, the number of tourists are very few. We spent 2 hours here. The woods are lovely, dark and deep. But I have promises to keep, and miles to go before I sleep, and miles to go before I sleep. Finally, we left the heaven as we had to reach Mysuru today, before it's dead midnight. On the way, we frequented a coffee plantation garden. Coffee is everywhere in Coorg. Then we visited a spice garden. This is the magical spice, the black pepper plant. And these are black peppers. So see you in the next episode at the gate of Mysore Palace. Till then, goodbye. Please like, comment, share my video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.